Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Sia and Kylie Minogue here with the song called Dance Alone. Not your typical guitar song, but why not? You can handle everything on this beauty here, so we're gonna go with Dance Alone as well. And we have the capo here set on the first fret, a couple of chords. It's very easy to play this song actually, so if you use a capo on first, will make your life much easier. So with that, we're gonna go over the chords. So we're gonna start with A minor first. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, we have G next. So that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. F, of course, we need a bar chord always, so that will be a bar on the first fret over all strings, and then we have third on A added, third on D, and second on G. We also need to throw in the D minor here, and that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have the C, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is the G chord. So that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. All right, so we have basically two different parts to handle here. The verse and pre-chorus part is one way of playing the chord progression there, and then we have the chorus and post-chorus / bridge is another chord progression there. So we're gonna handle all this with one strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord, the A minor, one string around will be down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. A couple of rounds of it. All right, so we're ready for the verse now. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and the chord progression will be A minor, G, F, and back to G, like this. That is one round. So A minor 2, G2, F2, and G2. That is the verse play. So let's go over to the second part here, the chorus. And that is A minor 2, D minor 2, G2, then C1 and the GB1. And that is how you play that. So let's go for a round of the chorus. Yes, so one round of verse and one of chorus. I'm gonna end with that, so let's play together. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Sia's and Kylie Minogue's Dance Alone. And you could play alone if you wish. I'm kind of used to that, and it isn't actually that bad. I'm kind of used and I like it, so hope you like it as well. Feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. I enjoyed that very much to see this channel and family grow here. So thank you for all guys, and until next time, play tuned.